Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a new project. This is a large double folio style album using the beautiful Mintai Christmas Blessings collection. So this is one of my class kits. You can find the kit and the class link on the description box below on my website. And also I do have a video class only available for this project as well. So I absolutely love the collection. I love how this turned out. So on the front here we have these beautiful Prima flowers, then we have the gorgeous paper collection, and over here we have some of the ephemera part of the kit as well. And then this little window opens to the side so you can add a picture there. And on the back, look how beautiful this background paper, and then that's the spine. So yeah, so all the elements that I am using are part of the kit. And now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So again, this is a double style folio, and so on this second side here I have a 3-level page. So I love how this came out, but let's go ahead and start looking over here. So we have this opening belt, and then we have some of the soldiers from the ephemera set, and then same thing with the stars. And then this opens and opens here, and then large place for pictures, and then this opens up like that, and it opens down. So let me show you here on the top. So I am using some silver cardstock as complementary. I think it looks really beautiful with this collection. It has some shine to it, and then some of the ephemera to dress up some of the pages, and then down here is just the same, but over here I put all the ornaments and the soldier here from the again from the ephemera. So now let's open these up. And so over here what I have is 4 little places for pictures, and each one of these you can add a picture there, but each one of these is a little pop-up, and I left this blank, but you can add a picture or you can also do some journaling. So I didn't want to put any of the silver cardstock, but you can add a picture and then journal over here. And so that is that pop-up. Then this one has also another different pop-up, so using the ephemera elements. And then these 2 open up, and then over here we have another one of those pop-ups and another one here as well. And then I wanted this to kind of be cascading, so you could close them up like that, and then you see all the layers here. And then on the back center I am using one of the beautiful page designs. You could leave this blank and just put a big 8x10 picture, or a little bit smaller than 8x10, but it's just a great place for a large picture there. And then so this closes up here, closes up there, and then these 2 just close and magnetize. And then over on this other side, again, that beautiful design paper. I just love all the blues and silver colors, very natural, neutral colors. This opens up, and then I have a large area for a picture up here. And then over here we have this double opening page. So again, we have 3 levels. So we have level 1, 2, and then the back level. And then this opens up like that, and it opens up here. And then we have, I just did a little collage here with the paper, but you can leave that blank for pictures. And then over here, some of the 4x3 ephemera cards. You can add pictures on the back. Place for a large picture here, and then I just wanted to use this as a little tag spot. But again, if you want a large area for pictures, you can skip on decorating with the ephemera. I just like how that looks. And then this opens up, and on the back here we have a waterfall, and so this waterfall opens down like that, so places for 2 pictures, and then this opens to the back. So I left that plain to not add more bulk in here, but I did want it to decorate some of the places that you're not gonna be putting pictures on. So this opens up, and that's the back, and then this again opens down and then flips up, so you have room for one, and then over here you can add 4 pictures on each one of these, so 16, 17 pictures on that page, on that waterfall. And then over here we have a pocket, so beautiful star, and then I just did a little collage with some leftovers. So on the video I do show you every place where I'm putting the design paper on the video class. And then here I just added some of the ephemera. And then on these pockets we have an accordion fold here on the side, so this was left blank, and then this opens to the side like that. And I just love the background paper, but again, if you're gonna put a picture there, maybe you can skip on that, but I think it's just a beautiful way to display the paper. And then also you can add more photo mats on that section. And then this opens here to the side again. So over here I have these little magnetic flaps. You can add a picture here, you can add a picture there, and then these also come out. So those are pockets, and then you can add over here a 4x6 picture, and then that just goes back into the pocket and it magnetizes in place. And same thing for this one. So this come out. You can leave this blank for journaling, but I just wanted to use the 4x3 cards on these little flaps, and then that goes back in there and it magnetizes in place. And then this also opens to the side here, and again the beautiful paper with the nutcracker and the gingerbread house. And then place your picture, maybe you can add a small picture there and some journaling. And then here at the center we have this gatefold, so I added some of the flowers here. These beautiful flowers by Prima have the little nutcracker little symbols or drawings. And then this opens up like that, and we have a double kind of like platform page, so we can add 2 4x3 pictures here. I left this blank to avoid any more bulk, but I did put the magnets in there. And then you can add pictures back over here, and so your picture will go right behind there like that. And then on the side, of course, you could add pictures, but I just added some more of the paper. And so yeah, so then this closes up like that, magnetizes in place. This closes here on top. That's level 2, level 3, and then this whole thing just closes. And so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this book. Again, I'm gonna have the link down below to my website where you can find the kids class available for this, and also I will have the video class on the option as well. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.